Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to adjust camera settings on iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone and you have iOS 26 and now you want to use camera, so you must have to learn about the new way to adjust camera settings. So open up your camera. In camera and go for the video or photo section. So if you want to select or change the mode, so you can easily swipe up your screen. This is the new feature of the iOS 26. And here if you want to access more settings, so you even don't have to tap on these six dots in the top right corner. You have to simply tap on this photo option, or here's a glass frame on your photo option. You must have to tap on that and you can simply access the settings from here. Or in same with for the video, you must have to tap on this option and you will get the settings. So if you want to get more settings, so open up your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for camera, tap on it, and from here you can easily make some more settings. So you must have to select, for example, formats. Simply tap on that and you have a new feature which is ProRAW and resolution control. You can easily enable that settings, and from here you can easily select the photo mode. It might be 12 megapixel or 24 megapixel, and I have selected 24, so you can easily select this. So in this way you can easily adjust camera settings on your iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.